Hello everyone, Kitty Cat Crafty here. First, I want to say I'm sorry I haven't been recording in a while. I have been busy and I haven't had time to go on Animal Jam in a while. So today I am going to show you guys the update. I read it, it's pretty cool, and then we're going to do some stuff for the update. So let's get started. Okay, so the llama journal is looking pretty snazzy, and to save time, I am not going to read all of them like I usually do because it's pretty boring. So I'm just going to read this one because this is a really cool one and I think you'd like to hear it. So, alright, I'm going to read it. So it's called My Shop, and do you have items or pets gathering dust in your inventory? Are you looking for a good way to earn gems and diamonds? There's an incredible new I just can't speak. Anyway, there's an incredible new den item called My Shop. With My Shop, you can put any of your own items and pets up for sale for gems or even diamonds. Pick up My Shop in the diamond shop. Place it in your den and then click on it to get started. Once you've chosen your items or pets I'm sorry, I cannot speak today. And the prices, any members who visit your den will be able to buy the items you have for sale. This is just the most amazing thing in the world. I am so excited. So we're going to do that after we're done with the update. So the Lynxes are back. Wait, they left? I did not know that. Anyway, you are free to pause this video and just read this, or go on Animal Jam yourself and read the update if you haven't already. Anyway, next one. Friendship Fortress, that looks pretty cool. Might get it. Maybe. Next is Pet Love Bugs. Cute. Yes, very cute. Then Secret Valentines. Ooh, cool. I'm definitely gonna try that. Friendship Festival items in the Friendship Cottage. Might get that instead of the Friendship Fortress. I don't know. The Power of Friendship. Alright, that's pretty cool. So that's pretty much it for the update. And now we're going to go buy the My Shop and maybe some other cool stuff. Wait, also, I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but I am with Snowy Hollow right now. So go to subscribe to her because she's the best. Oh my god, oh my god. Are you? Whoa. Are you telling me you can get these? I am getting that rainbow hat. That is beautiful. Okay, wait, I am also getting these are such good prices. Chain Heart Chocolate. Yes. Wonderful. And also no beret. Alright, I am good to go to the diamond shop. Okay, we are now in the diamond shop. I am scared to see how much the My Shop thing is. Oh, it's 5. That is a great price. Cool, I'm gonna switch to Leave the Bunny 123 because I have more stuff on there. So, yeah. Oh my god, perfect. Yes, 155. And then I use 5 and I'll still have 150. Ready to go. Ooh. Oh my god. Yes, yes, yes! Okay. Now, I am ready to roll. Sorry, if I am... Okay, you know what? Never mind. Oh my god, I am just so insanely excited to just do this. Okay. Oh my god. Best thing ever. Okay. Or 1. It's a rare, so 2. 1. I'm kind, so 1. That, just seeing my own item in a store, I am like I don't know, I'm just making these really weird hand gestures. Not gestures. You know what? Never mind. Anyway, I hope people like cat ears because that's gonna be 2. But But I need gems. 150, 200, 250, 350. Okay, next. Okay. So I have a few pets that I might be, like, willing to. Oh yeah, this hamster. It's 50. There we go. I'm sorry, but hamster, I don't really like you. No offense. Okay. Now, load. Need another pet. Like a diamond pet. That would be nice. Ocean sky. Okay. We're gonna be 2 diamonds. Okay. I will continue the video once I've got my stuff in the store. Okay, I got my store set up. This is what my items are. Rare eagle hat for 1 diamond. Some cat ears for 350 gems. So you can see the hamster, the reindeer, the amulet, the fireplace, some mushrooms, candy cane tiara, mustache, rare Jamalade winter hood, glimmer lady, the llama, and whisper dude, the hamster. So now I'm gonna try to get some customers. Okay, got sidetracked. Just a little. Low. You call these low prices? Then again, I guess. A few low prices. I didn't even know those existed. Nah. Oh, that's 15. Not happening. Ooh, that's cool. A longbow. I'm just gonna go with the icicle antlers. Pretty cool. And yep, I am good to go. Okay, so I want to see if it will tell me if anyone buys anything. Like, will it tell me? Because there's someone in my den, so I'm not sure. Like, is anything gonna show up? Do I suddenly have more? No. Doesn't seem like they bought anything. I wonder how this works. I don't know. Oh, wow, first item. Woo, woo. Beautiful. Alright. I am proud. Okay. Well, I'm glad it tells me if someone gets something. So, yeah. I've got 2 people in my den. Pretty good, I guess. This must be a joke. Okay, I sold Whisper Dude for 50 gems. Well, okay. That's nice. What's happening? It's like, okay. I have sold the cat ears for 350. Okay, I have sold my Epic Wonders Orb for 600 gems. That's good, right? What is this? Like, look at this. That is the longest username I've ever seen. Well, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you liked it. And please like and subscribe. Click the notification bell. And comment down below, what would you put in your shop? So I know I only sold a few items, but you know what? Better luck next time. Have a great day, Jammers. Bye.